Electric bike conversion kits are an innovative solution for turning a traditional bicycle into an electric-powered one. They offer a cost-effective and eco-friendly way to upgrade your existing bike into an efficient and convenient mode of transportation. So in today's video, we'll show you the top 5 best e-bike conversion kit you must see. Let's get started. Struggling up hills on your trusty bike? Do you wish you could effortlessly glide through headwinds like a pro? Don't worry, the Cytronex electric bike conversion kit has got you covered. This incredible kit adds just 7.94 pounds to your bicycle, but its power is nothing short of extraordinary. And the best part? Fitting the kit doesn't change the way your bike rides when the system is off. You can still enjoy the pure joy of cycling on easy terrain without assistance. But when the going gets tough, simply press the e-bike boost button and feel the smooth and virtually silent power kick in. With the Cytronex, you can easily tackle steep hills and tough winds. The Cytronex battery can connect to your PC via USB while in the charge shoe, allowing you to access the associated app. This incredible app includes a diagnostic function, so you can easily troubleshoot any issues. Looking to upgrade your bike into an electrifying ride? Be sure to check out the eBikeling 500-watt direct drive e-bike conversion kit. With this kit, you can easily transform your ordinary bicycle into a high-performance electric bike in no time. The kit comes fully equipped with all the necessary components for easy installation, including a powerful hub motor, torque arm, and cable ties. Except for the battery and tire, this conversion kit has everything you need to turn your traditional bike into a sleek and modern electric bike. The aluminum double-walled rim provides durability and strength, while the LCD display provides essential information such as battery percentage, speed, distance, and wattage. Think of it as your very own personal assistant on 2 wheels. Next on our list is the Rubbee X. With this conversion kit, you can easily add an electric motor to your bike without any complicated wiring or installation processes. Rubbee X is capable of providing a range of over 40 kilometers and a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour, thanks to its powerful 250-watt motor. It features a modular battery system that allows you to easily swap out batteries for extended range, and it also includes an active suppression system and an anti-slip system to ensure a safe and smooth ride. The wireless cadence sensor ensures that the motor provides assistance when you need it, and there are no buttons to push or wires to hide. One 36-volt battery module is included with the Rubbee X kit, so you can start using it right away. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring new bike paths, Rubbee X makes it easy and convenient to enjoy the benefits of an electric bike without having to buy a new one. Regarding e-bike conversion kit, Bafang BBS02B is one worth mentioning. It is a powerful and versatile e-bike conversion kit that is compatible with mountain bikes, road bikes, and commuter bikes. With a maximum torque of 120 Nm, this electric motor provides excellent performance on climbing, making it perfect for exercise and fun. This kit comes equipped with all essentials you need, including a 48-volt 750-watt mid-drive motor, a display, chainwheel, cable, cranks, speed sensor, and so on. These components provide a smooth and reliable riding experience, making it easy to convert your traditional bike into an electric one. Whether you're commuting to work or hitting the trails for some off-road adventures, the Bafang BBS02B is definitely a good choice. Swytch is an e-bike conversion kit that offers a range of features to enhance the performance of your bike. The kit includes a 36V lithium-ion battery, which is built with high-capacity cells to deliver the power you need, time after time. This ensures that you have a reliable source of energy to power your bike, whether you're commuting to work or going on a long-distance ride. It comes with a 250-watt geared hub motor, which is a high-torque motor wheel with no drag. This allows you to cruise freely with the power pack on or off, giving you greater flexibility and control over your ride. The motor is powerful enough to tackle hills and inclines, making it an ideal choice for riders who want to take on challenging terrain. You can choose from the pocket-sized Air Power Pack, which provides a range of 9.32 miles, or the larger Max Power Pack, which offers a range of 18.64 miles. So, that was our list of the top 5 best e-bike conversion kits you must see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you find it helpful.